And picking up another one. A new drag car coming in there. And we finally done brought us a little dirt bike in. So we're punch, stay on it. Stay on it. You got the limitless up here. Yeah. I should have brought my little pickles. I mean, a little Rala, my little purple one.
All right, man. First of all, we want to thank everybody for our thing. We're going to race. We're going to have a good day of racing. We ain't going to do too much crying and complaining because we all grown men. We just going to have fun. Somebody going to bump into you. It might cause you to lose the whole thing, but you running for free. So, you know what I'm saying? Somebody gonna run into you. I just want to let y'all know that it's not purposely. Nobody ain't out here headhunting for your car, trying to knock you. They headhunt for me, but yeah, they not gonna be headhunting for your car, man. So this how this gonna be structured today. We're gonna do groups. So you got groups of fours. Whoever wins, they group of four. They go the first two cars, first place and second place, races against the first place and second place of the next group. That's how you win. That's how you get one. So you don't count for every single race that you run in. Doesn't count. Only the championship round. So that means you win your stock class and then you go. So this round right here we got Double R, Derek, Kyle, Brandon, Mun, King. Double R, Derek, Kyle, and Brandon gonna be the first heat. Second heat gonna be Mun, King, Mario, and Alex. And after that, so after you get the first two winners, then we're gonna do the championship round. Whoever's the two winners, and then for the next round, we're gonna swap it up. We're gonna swap the people up for the regular round to get to the championship. And that's how we're gonna run that all day, unless one of the classes only got 3. If one of the classes only got 3, it's only gonna be 1 advance out of that class. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna do it like that. This is a ring race. I got the rings right over there sitting on the table. You can win. We got 10th scale class. We got 8th scale class, 8th scale buggies, and we got 8th scale truggies. Anything else, they do not apply to be able to win a ring. We got 10th scales. Anything 10th scale you got. That's monster truck. That's rustlers. That's Mojaves. That's whatever. 8th scales will be 8th scale buggies only. That is an 8th scale buggy right there. If your car look like that right there, like that team associated on the ground right there, that is an 8th scale buggy. So 8th scale buggies will run together. And then 8th scale truggies will be, well, you got a truggy. You see that Veloci right there on the ground right there? That is a truggy. So we're gonna run the 8th scale truggies together. So everybody clear on it?
Yeah.
Everybody good?
Yeah.
All right. So we love. So well, y'all put it in the truck. Got a car business. Got a car business out here. Yeah, one more left. Last right here. Last. All right. Got Mun. And Double R. You in for the championship round?
I just threw it together real quick.
Kyle, you in? Let's go. Championship round.
Yeah, driving. Shit, that's how you gonna win. Drive.
Keep spinning.
Whoever in front. After I ran my first run, I just kept racing.
Trying to make sure we get this car up and going. Pit side service. The best pit crew ever. I got. They done changed the wheels, batteries, whole body.
I just did my fucking set. I don't want to say it. I don't know. I gotta turn that steering damper down. It's too.
Good ride.
Boy, turn it.
Good ride.
Rattle, Brandon, Eddie.
Oh, I like that flat.
I mean, how?
Hey, you get points for that paint.
Shall we keep going? Yeah, can I save my battery? Can I save my battery? This is over with. I'm in the championship. Let's go. Championship round.
Gap
The
sauce.
four winners. Let's go.
That what you call gap sauce?
The four winners. Let's go.
Yeah, the only way to cross the finish line doing 2 miles. Winning 2 laps.
Okay, okay.
I'm marking.
Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Let's see. Marking gap. Marking gap.
Patient. Patient.
No panic zone.
No panic.
We want to keep on the line now, gap. Gap up by 8 seconds.
Ooh, little girl. You better get that shit together.
Man.
You better get it together. You better get it together. Going down out here. Truckies and buggies. Nice little track set up. Come pull up.
Pull up. Your call.
1, 2, 3.
They're after.
Yeah, I seen the girl.
On 3. 1, 2.
All right now. Okay.
Baby Gap out this bitch. Baby Gap in this bitch. No, they not. No, they not. No, they not.
Come on now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how you doing that.
Yeah. Hey.
Go ahead, Mike.
Oh yeah. What's this right here?
Losi. DBXL2.
A 12S?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look like that fox over there.
Max 5. 800 kV.
Uh-huh.
But it is not like in the gearing. Huh?
I heard that little bump.
I am the champion. I am the champion. No time for losers, 'cause I am the champion.
Okay, let's see the ring.
Rockmart.
Let's see, got more rings in the championship around here.